May hapon ninyo mga kaibigan. Dami ron sa visit mi sa mga relatives, papa, mama, mga tiya, tiyo. Karon October 13 sa may kay ahead may kay na yung mga bata. Bisita mga apo. Apostod.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that there? Who's that there?
Si Lolo. Si Lola Ika. Nin, punin na niya, Nin.
You haven't met them, Andy. They always bring Milo when we were kids. They always give us Milo.
Andi girl.
Kaya wala may uso.
This day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God,